Teach your child gratitude with 1 jar and 5 coins. The power of 1 jar. Want to raise a grateful child who says Alhamdulillah from the heart? Start with 1 jar and 5 coins. In a world of constant wanting, let's teach our children the quiet power of contentment. Why gratitude? Why now? Gratitude is more than manners. It's a muscle. And when we raise children who notice, appreciate, and say Alhamdulillah, we're not just raising polite kids. We're raising hearts that are awake to the blessings of Allah. If you are grateful, I will surely increase you. Quran 14:7. Here's the tool. 1 gratitude jar. And 5 shiny coins a day. Step by step. 1. Introduce the jar. Tell your child, every time you say Alhamdulillah from the heart, you earn a coin in your jar. 2. Make it visible. Place it where your child sees it daily. The kitchen shelf. Prayer corner. Study desk. 3. Trigger moments. After meals. After hugs. After a kind word. Ask, what are we thankful for right now? Let them think, feel, and say it. 4. Celebrate sincerity. If they whisper Alhamdulillah genuinely, not for show, drop a coin in the jar. At the end of each week, open the jar. Sit together and count the coins. Don't rush, reflect. Ask your child, what were your favorite blessings this week? Let them name things, big and small, from their daily bear to the Quran class snack. The Prophet was the most grateful of all creation, even though he had the hardest life. He once stood in night prayer until his feet swelled. When asked why, he said, "Should I not be a grateful servant?" Bukhari. Imagine what that teaches our children, that even in tiredness, even in pain, we still say, Alhamdulillah. Your child may still whine. That's okay. Gratitude is a journey. When they say, but I wanted more, pause and say, let's find just one thing we can say Alhamdulillah for. Don't force, invite, reflect, let it bloom gently. This jar is just a start. But what you're really building is Taqwa, Akhlaq, Shukr, a heart that loves Allah and sees His signs in every breath. Want more peace in your parenting? Start with gratitude. 1 jar, 5 coins. A heart full of Alhamdulillah. Gratitude grows here. Follow for more soulful parenting tools rooted in the Sunnah.